What if I told you everything around you, your phone, your laptop, even your own body, exists because one man dared to look at something invisible? Niels Bohr didn't just study atoms. He saw the universe in the tiniest of particles and changed science forever. Niels Bohr was born in Denmark in 1885. From a young age, he was obsessed with understanding how the world works. He loved asking questions like, why do things stay together? Why don't they just fall apart? While other children played games, Bohr studied physics, fascinated by invisible forces. He often imagined how tiny particles interacted, even though nobody could see them. This curiosity would eventually lead him to one of the most important discoveries in science: the structure of the atom. At the time, scientists had only a vague idea about atoms. They knew atoms existed, but didn't understand how they were structured. Most believed atoms were just tiny, solid balls. Others proposed strange models, but none could explain why atoms were stable or how they produced light. Bohr asked a daring question. What if electrons don't just move randomly? What if they follow specific paths? This simple question would spark a revolution in physics. Bohr developed a bold idea. Electrons orbit the nucleus in fixed paths, or shells. This explained why atoms are stable, why matter doesn't collapse. But his theory went against classical physics. Many scientists criticized him. Some called it fantasy or impossible. Bohr didn't give up. He continued experimenting, using calculations, light spectra, and observations to prove his ideas. He showed that electrons absorb and release energy only in specific amounts, creating the lines of color we see in atomic spectra. Bohr's model became the foundation of quantum mechanics. Suddenly, the invisible world of atoms became understandable. Thanks to Bohr, scientists could predict how atoms behave. His work led to nuclear energy, lasers, modern electronics, semiconductors in computers and smartphones. Imagine it, your laptop and smartphone, the technology you use every day, exist because Bohr looked deeper into the invisible world. Bohr faced incredible challenges. Many didn't believe him. Some argued his ideas were too abstract. Even more, the political climate in Europe was tense. Science was competing with war and politics, yet Bohr remained focused. He traveled across Europe, collaborated with Einstein, Heisenberg, and other great minds, constantly defending his ideas. Over time, his vision became accepted. The atomic model became a cornerstone of modern physics. Bohr didn't just change physics, he changed how humans understand the universe. He showed that reality is more complex and fascinating than anyone imagined. Electrons, atoms, and particles, things invisible to the naked eye, hold the secrets to life, energy, and technology. Bohr inspired generations of physicists to explore the quantum world and challenge assumptions. Bohr's story teaches us a powerful lesson. Sometimes the smallest things can have the biggest impact. Curiosity and courage can uncover truths invisible to everyone else. One idea, one question, one observation can change the world. Niels Bohr saw the invisible, understood the impossible, and changed science forever. Next time you look at your phone, your computer, or even the stars, remember, the secrets of the universe were unlocked by someone who asked the smallest questions and never stopped searching. Curiosity, courage, and persistence, the invisible forces behind every discovery.